Greetings and salutations. It is another pleasant day in central Louisiana. The temperature started out low, but they've come up. It's nice shirt sleeve weather. Short sleeve, that is, and everything here is sunshiny and clear. Even after a great smoke out from the controlled burn here a few weeks back. But life is good, and I decided today, this evening to speak specifically, to see if I couldn't break loose this post vise that was froze up on the screw. Well, I brought this in today, and I'm huffing and puffing because it's heavy. And I put a cheater bar, my trusty cheater bar, on the handle and managed to get it in just the right spot, and I got the right leverage I needed to get this screw to break loose. So now what I've got is I can disassemble this unit and start what restoration I choose to do on it. And we'll have to figure out where I'm going to set it up at, because it's too good a vise to let it go to waste, even though it needs a foot and a spring. But you know, I can figure out that. So here it is. Here's the screw. The threads are in great shape there. And there's the box nut for the back side. And here's what they were using for a foot. They call it these type vices, to hold it up against a bench or a stump. This by no means is original. It is definitely a Rube Goldberg device. It worked for a specific application of a gentleman who had it before me. But this, I will have to look into finding a new foot to attach it to a workbench or stump. And here is the post vise itself. I haven't taken the bottom nut loose yet. The jaws look to be in fairly good shape, although we are missing the opening spring on it. I'll have to look and see if I can't either cobble together one from my limited ability or find one online to buy. It's missing the foot, the wedges to hold the foot on. There's a C clevis that goes around, and a return spring. The return spring, fasten it laid in here and come back around to here. And then right here is where the C clamp come off the foot to attach the main vise to the actual workbench or stump. And then all the force of you pounding on the vise, whatever you had in it, was transferred to this rear leg and all the way down to the floor via this post, bringing the name of post vise. Duh. Yes, it is, but here it is, and this is where I've gotten to. I guess I'll have to break out the wire wheel and do some quick wire wheel brushing, see if I can knock off the loose paint. And then maybe, just maybe, I'll give it an oil finish, or I may prime it back red again, who knows. But considering this was a free vise, I'm very pleased with it. And I'm pleased to get this far along. And I did soak it for getting the screw loose. I had to soak it for, at least been 60 days to get it to where it finally cut through and it's down on the lower threads. And then I've just been putting off messing with it. So today I decided to mess with it. And it is loose, and now there's more work for me to do. But again, one step forward, keep going. Y'all have a great day.